Welcome back to the History Files, where the past comes alive and secrets are unearthed. Today, we embark on a journey to ancient Egypt, a land of mystique and wonder. In the scorching desert sands, a centuries-old secret slumbered, hidden from prying eyes. But one man's relentless pursuit of the truth would shatter the silence, unleashing a treasure trove of secrets upon the world. Legend whispered of a deadly curse, a warning to those who dare disturb the pharaoh's eternal rest. Yet Howard Carter, a British archaeologist, was undaunted. His years-long quest for King Tutankhamun's tomb had become an obsession, driven by a burning desire to uncover the truth. A cryptic clue, a whispered rumor, and Carter's search was reignited. He followed the trail to the Valley of the Kings, where ancient pharaohs lay entombed. And then it happened, the moment of discovery that would shake the foundations of history. As Carter's hands made contact with the weathered stone, the seal was broken, and a whisper of forgotten centuries escaped. The air inside was heavy with the essence of aged incense, its musty fragrance transporting him to a realm both mystical and mysterious. With trembling anticipation, he peered into the abyss, his eyes straining to pierce the veil of darkness. And then, like a revelation, the shadows yielded their secrets. "I see wonderful things," he exclaimed, his voice barely above a whisper, yet trembling with an excitement that threatened to consume him whole. The tomb, a time capsule of ancient Egypt's grandeur, lay before him, its treasures and tales waiting to be unearthed. Join us next episode on The History Files as we delve deeper into the world of secret societies and ancient artifacts. Will we find the artifact before it falls into the wrong hands? The adventure continues.